And welcome dear students, this is your maths class. So today we are going to learn a new chapter, that is time and calendar. Okay, you must have learned in your junior class 1, the use of time and calendar. So let's learn the same here. Okay, now we use a clock to tell the time. First of all, we'll discuss on this time. Alright, so we use clock to tell the time. So I have got clock here. It has two hands. You can refer your book also. It has two hands. One is called short hands and long hands. We use clock to tell time. Right? We use clock to tell time. Now the clock has two hands. It has two hands. Every clock has two hands. One is long hand and short hand. Long hand and short hand. The short hand is called the R hand. So this short hand is called R hand. R hand. And the long hand is called the minute hand. This is called minute hand. Now let me show you with this clock. Okay. Now a clock has this is a clock face, right? So a clock has two hands. One is long hand and short hand. Now the long hand is minute hand. So this long hand, this is clear enough? This long hand is minute hand. Okay. And this short hand is our hand. Okay. Now the clock has numbers from 1 to 12 on its face. So on its face, a clock has numbers. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So 1 to 12 numbers are there in a clock face. The R hand moves from one number to the next number in 1 hour. So which one is our hand here? The short one. Okay. So when this short hand moves from one number to another. So right now the short hand is in 1. Now when it moves from 1 to 2, the short hand, only the short hand, 1 to 2, that means it is 1 hour. When the short hand moves from one number to the another, that means it has taken 1 hour. Okay? While the minute hand moves from one number to the next number in 5 minutes. Now, which one is the minute hand? The long hand. So the minute hand, if it moves from one number to another, like this, that means it is 5 minutes. Okay? 5 minutes from one number to another. By the longer hand, that means 5 minutes. And by the shorter hand, from one number to the another, it is 1 hour. Okay? Remember this. Now, in the clock shown on your right, the minute hand is at 12 and the hour hand is at 9. See? This picture I'm going to show you with the help of this. So it is said the minute hand is at 12. So let us keep this minute hand, which is long hand, at 12, and the short hand, hour hand at 9. Okay. Let me do like this. This is according to the book. Okay, it is there in your book. So minute hand is at 12 and hour hand is at 9. Okay, the time is now the time is here is 9 o'clock. Okay, the time here is 9 o'clock. Okay, let me rub this and I'll show you. Let me draw a clock face. I'll try to draw it round as much as possible. Now, so the numbers in a clock, there are 1 to 12 numbers starting from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Okay, starting from 1 to 12. So according to book, the minute hand is at 12, which is longer than this short hand. Short hand is at 9. Okay, is this clear? Okay, now the time here, what you say, it is exactly 9. It is exactly 9 o'clock. Okay, it is exactly 9 o'clock. Or in number you write like this, 9 o'clock. Okay, so this is the clock is showing now 9 o'clock. Now if I draw another clock and tell you to show the hands, let us see, 11 o'clock. 11 o'clock in this. Now first draw the numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So make sure when you draw this clock face, no, this is straight. This has to be straight one. Okay, 9 opposite like this. Straight one. 12, 6. Alright, it will be easier for you to draw clock and numbers. Now, the question is asking you to draw sharp 11 o'clock. Your long hand always should be at 12. What matters is your short hand. See, short hand is at 11 and the long hand is at 12. This is sharp 11 o'clock. See, like this. Okay? See, this is very easy. Now with this you can draw, or you can write any time, or you can show any time on a clock face. Okay. Now there are many more examples given there. So first example, let us see what is given there. Write the time in two ways. Write the time in two ways. So 1 and 2 blanks are given there. So you can see clearly the long hand, minute hand is at 12. Okay, and then short hand or the hour hand is at 8. Now what's the time? It is sharp 8. See, always see this one, the short hand. Always see the short hand and write the number. It is 8 o'clock. Okay, just see the short hand and write 8 o'clock. Now, how you write the number only? It is like this. Just write. Simple. Okay. Now, the next. Let me rub this. Only the shorter hand matters here. Okay. Now, in the next phase of clock, short hand or the hour hand is at 10. Right. Now, what you have to do? See the short hand which is at 10. So just write 10. It is 10 o'clock and down like this. Simple. Alright? Now move on to next. That is second. Draw the hands to show the given time. Now the times are given here. You need to draw the hands to show its times. Okay, now let us rub this one. This also. We are doing number 2, okay? Number 2. So, it is given blank, number 2. What is the time given there? It is 3 o'clock. Right? So, how you draw 3 o'clock? This 3, look at this number 3. So this is always, this is for hour hand, okay, hour, and this 2 which is in right side, it is for minute. Remember this, okay, hour and minute. Now just see the hour hand, 3 is given, so that means it is 3 o'clock. Your minute hand should be at 12. It is clear. Now the shorter hand, just see the number towards 3. So it is exactly 3 o'clock. Clear? Now next time is given there. Next time is given there 7. Okay. 7. Now the long hand or the minute hand is always at 12 when you show the exact time, okay, hour time. Now what is given there? 7. Now move your shorter hand towards 7. Okay, this means it is exactly 7 o'clock. Alright, this is very simple and easy. Please follow the videos carefully, learn at home, practice at home. I have seen most of the students wearing watches while coming to the school, and it's very important when you wear watch, you should know how to tell the times to the others or to your friends. Alright, so let us keep here for now. We'll continue this in the next class with exploring minutes and hour. Okay, till then please do this exercise 1 and 2, practice at home. Okay, and we'll meet in the next class. Till then, take care and keep learning.